Honor introduced the X50 smartphone in July last year. More than a year later, the company seems finally ready to launch its successor, the Honor X60. New X60 series smartphone announced on October 16 in China. A recent leak has now revealed the front design and key specifications of the upcoming phone. The leak, shared by a Weibo user, includes an image of the Honor X60's About Phone page. Here, we can see the phone with a flat screen. The punch hole cutout on the front also seems a bit bigger this time around. As for the specifications, the Honor X60 features a 6.8-inch FHD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 chipset. The device ships with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. On the software side, it runs Magic OS 8 based on Android 14. It features a 108MP main camera and the phone powered by 5800 mAh battery with 35W charger. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.